If you spend any time in the garage, you know the struggle. Awkward tools, sore backs, and wasted time digging for stuff. But these innovations are changing all that. These innovations help you stay organized and efficient so you can fix or maintain your vehicles. Number 15. Soldr Soldering Station. This setup is super handy and starts at just $29. It's about the size of a laptop, and the modular design means you can arrange everything the way you want. Flux syringes, solder spools, and other tools all stay neatly organized and easy to reach without creating a mess. And here's the best part. That price gets you the deluxe edition, which comes with a multimeter and a soldering iron with interchangeable tips. Number 14. Eastwood HotCoat. This kit is a smarter, more cost-effective way to paint compared to traditional methods. It lets you paint on almost any surface without making a mess. The main feature is the 51 by 51 centimeter white filter, which, when used with a special solution and a standard fan, can catch up to 99% of extra paint. It also comes with rods for hanging parts, so you can paint multiple pieces at once. Number 13. MAGpad. Working under the hood has its challenges, and poor lighting isn't the only one. Keeping your tools within reach can be a pain. That's where the MAGpad comes in. It's a thin, flexible magnetic plate that attaches to any metal surface and holds your tools or small car parts securely. You can place it inside or outside the vehicle, and it won't scratch anything, making it super easy to keep everything organized while you work. Number 12. BendPak Scissor Lift. Up next, we've got a lineup of car lifts that might make you think about starting your own repair shop. The first one can handle 2.7 tons and lifts a car up to about 1.2 meters in just 45 seconds, with a price tag around $3,000. If you want something more budget-friendly, there's another model for about $1,900. It can lift up to 2 tons in around 90 seconds and reaches about 66 centimeters, enough to work comfortably underneath your vehicle. Number 11. TRAC Tire Jack. If you want to keep your garage in check, the TRAC Tire Jack is a must-have. Basically, it's built with a strong frame, so even larger vehicles lift easily, and the handle is designed so you don't have to struggle to lift or lower the car. It's compact too, so you can store it in your garage or even in your car for emergencies. Because it's made to last, you don't have to worry about it wearing out. Quick tire changes become much safer and easier with this tool. Number 10. Laser Coolant System Flusher. You know how important it is to have a reliable tool for clearing out old coolant and debris from your car. The Laser Coolant System Flusher makes it simple to clean and maintain your cooling system, keeping your engine running smoothly and reducing the risk of overheating or damage. Its straightforward design works for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, helping you maintain your engine's health and avoid costly repairs down the road. Number 9. Garage Door Lighting. Imagine a garage door that doubles as a powerful light. This one turns into a 14,400 lumen lamp when opened. A flexible panel slides under the roof, and the lamps at its base fill the whole room with bright, even light. The best part? There are no wires or switches to worry about, and since the lights run on low voltage, your utility bills won't go up. Number 8. Ring MAGflex. Working in tight spaces is always a challenge. Anyone who's popped the hood of a car knows how tricky it can be to see into all those grooves and uneven spots. That's where the British brand ring comes in. Their Rail MAGflex Slim can easily slide into the smallest gaps. Its slim look and magnetic mount make it super easy to position exactly where you need light under the hood. Number 7. Slime Inflation Station. Need to pump up your tires or inflate a life preserver? The Slime Mini Compressor has you covered. It mounts on the wall, plugs into an outlet, and takes care of the work without you breaking a sweat. It comes with a long 6-meter hose, so you can reach every tire, and there's a pressure gauge right on the nozzle to make sure you don't overinflate. The creators joke that it's always ready but never in the way, and it works on anything that needs air. Number 6. Kincrome Torque Wrench. Sometimes tightening bolts isn't just about turning a wrench. You need the right amount of torque. For that you can use wrench. But when you're busy and under pressure, getting it perfect can be tricky. This torque wrench makes it simple. You just set the force you need anywhere between 40 and 300 Newton meters. And once you reach the target, you hear a clear click and see a pin pop out. Those signals make it almost impossible to mess up. Number 5. SCANGRIP Tower 5 Connect. It has an adjustable stand and a rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere and set it up however you need. With its integrated tripod and 2 built-in LED floodlights, it delivers up to 5,000 lumen, lighting up even the toughest spots. It's durable enough for heavy use, works really well, and it's compact and easy to fold and carry when the job is done. Number 4. Traxion Foldable Topside. Here is a foldable mechanics creeper that makes working on the top side of your vehicle's engine way easier. Instead of leaning over the engine bay and straining your back and neck, you lie on this padded platform and roll right into position so you can reach where you need to without pain. It sits on swivel casters so you can move it easily, and when you're done, it folds up. The height can be adjusted to suit different vehicles, and it's built solidly with a strong steel frame and a padded deck that's easy to clean. Number 3. Toolwiz Magnetic Sweeper. Ever get tired of bending over to pick up tiny nails and screws? The mini sweeper makes it way easier. It works great for picking up small metal objects like nails, tacks, nuts, bolts, and metal shavings. The telescopic handle adjusts from 15 to 39 inches, so you don't have to bend over and strain your back while cleaning. Plus, the upgraded 3-inch rubber wheels roll smoothly on carpet, grass, concrete, or hardwood floors, making it super easy to push and pull while picking up metal fast. Number 2. Armor All Garage Floor Mat. This mat makes your garage look like it just rolled out of a showroom, clean and polished. But it's not just for looks. It's built to handle typical garage messes like oil spills, soaking up liquids, and keeping your floor spotless, and cleaning it is easy with regular detergents. Installation is simple too. Just sweep away dust, roll out the mat, and secure it with double-sided tape. You can even trim it with standard scissors, and the non-slip backing keeps it flat, even when vacuuming. Number 1. InterVac Garage Vacuum. Now you don't need to drag your home vacuum out to the garage. It's a small unit that stays out of the way because it mounts on the wall. At first, the hose might seem short, only about 2.5 meters, but it actually stretches up to 11 meters, so you can reach even the far corners. The bag holds up to 3 kilograms of dirt, and it comes with attachments for cleaning indoors, as well as a brush for your car's interior. So that's all for now. If you liked any of these, hit that like button, drop a comment on which one you'd grab first, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.